Hello everyone, keto cupcake, gluten-free, sugar-free, really nice taste. And I will tell you how to make it with different kind of flour. It's really moist, so tasty, and you feel different experience when you eat it. Look, so moist and so beautiful. We will do it with tahini paste. If this is first time to watch me, my name is Ahmed Younis, pastry champion of Africa 2011. Let's start. 120 gram butter, 40 gram stevia sugar or any substituted sugar, 120 gram tahini paste, 2 eggs, 3 gram baking powder, pinch of salt. And feel free if you want to add any vanilla extract. You can see the best or the first step, you must make butter and sugar so fluffy and so soft. You can see struggling in the beginning, but you can use KitchenAid or hand mixer. Then we stop, we bring the edges, and then we added tahini paste. Tahini paste, and then baking powder. We mix all together to be fluffy and nice. You can use almond flour, you can use sesame flour, coconut flour, any keto flour. Then we added, when it's become soft, I added the eggs. You can see I wait until the absorb the first egg, then I added the second one, and then I will put salt. So you can use vanilla extract, you can use any flavor, maybe cardamom. Make sure that the whole ingredients becomes fluffy. Now I added by mistake big salt, but I normally pinch like less than 1 gram. Then when the dough is soft, fluffy, creamy, I pour into cupcake mold. I will use raspberry keto jam. If you didn't see, I will leave the link below how to make raspberry jam. It's so easy. 1 kilo of any berry, raspberry, blackberry, even strawberry, frozen or fresh, 100 milligram water, 100 gram stevia or substituted sugar. That's it. And you keep simmering until you can see so tasty and so nice. Even you can avoid the sugar because all fruit have kind of own sugar, fructose. So now we added 50%, 80%, 75, it's up to you. But you must leave at least 1.5 centimeter empty from the mold, so when it's grow up, you can see it's more fluffy and hushy. We prepare oven 175 centigrade for 18 minutes. 175, 18 minutes, you have the best gluten-free cupcake. You can see it's grow up. And you can also see I didn't add xanthan gum or any combined agent, just natural. Now we make the cream. 100 gram butter, 50 gram stevia powder or any substituted sugar. Then we keep it as a cream. And later on 200 gram Philadelphia cheese. Or you can make only with buttercream. I love to add a little squeeze of lemon because lemon with Philadelphia cheese bring more aroma and more flavor. This is one of the tricks. I bring the edges, then keep mixing to be soft and nice and fluffy. You can see the buttercream now, more fluffy and more soft and more creamy. Then I added Philadelphia cheese. And lemon, you can add it also lemon zest, but I like lemon juice bring a lot of the flavor to the cream. Now the cream ready, we put in piping bag, we decorated. You can buy whatever you want, any shape, any color. And then I grate some shaved chocolate, 90% dark chocolate. Feel free to decorate the way you like. I like sweet and sour. I like the strong of the chocolate and sweet of the cupcake. Thanks for being my channel. Hope is useful information. Don't work harder, just work smarter.